Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. This time I want to pour a flower in sort of champagne color, and I'm pouring first a rim with the Psycho Gold. I mixed the Psycho Gold from Laura's Art Corner into my resin, just a little bit, so I have a little bit sparkle at the edge. So you see, it's just an effect powder, but it's very, very beautiful. I love it. I really love it. I used it for my shell. I don't know if you saw the last video. There I mixed it into my white, and here I'm just mixing it into my clear resin, and this is my edge. And now I'm filling up my mold with some clear resin. The resin I'm using here is the Art Pro resin from the Resin Pro company. And I'm using the ribbed S-size tray mold from Molds and Shapes. Yeah, there I just put a little bit of the clear resin into a little cup because I want to mix a little bit glitter for my center. And the glitter is the Fantasy Sandcastle, yes, from Laura's Art Corner. Very beautiful champagne goldenish color, and I really love it. It's a very beautiful color of the glitter. And I'm already placing this in the center of my mold. Just check out all the discount codes. There's a discount code for Molds and Shapes, for Resin Pro, Laura, and also Octopus, because I will be using Octopus in a second for my center and also for coloring my white resin. So now a quick torch. And I'm taking here from Octopus the espresso, and I put 1 drop into my white mix, and I'm using 1 drop as well to put onto my glitter. And now you're gonna see what's happening. It's exploding on me. So I was a little bit nervous, but then I thought, just let it explode for a little bit and just get on with your white mix. But I just wanted to show you what's happening with this, and it's like fireworks actually, what's going on there. Yeah, I was, like I said, a little bit panicking because I thought I don't want this big blob in the center. So yeah, but once it's done, you cannot do much about it. But anyway, I also mixed a little bit of the Interference Gold, the white gold Spirara from Laura's Art Corner, into my white and espresso mix. And now it's looking a little bit dirty, but I'm sure it will look, for the flower petals, very beautiful at the end. But look at this big blob. Hi. These things are happening, you know, and you just need to make the best out of it. So now I'm just taking my cup and I'm going in a spiral, and I'm starting at the outer rim of my mold. So you see it there, just a very thick spiral. And I'm also pouring on top of my glitter explosion. So I really had no idea what's gonna happen with this pour, if it's gonna turn out, if not. So now I'm just smoothing a little bit where I started pouring my spiral, and also a little bit in the center. And then I'm taking a little bit more of I call it the cappuccino mix, and I'm just pouring one round around because I want to be rather close to the edge, and there I was a little bit too much close to the edge. You see it at the side, but yeah, I got it sorted at the end. Now I'm just making my flower petals, and I'm gonna do many petals. So first the 4 petals, then dividing into 8 petals, then 16 petals, and I'm always doing them opposite to each other, so I keep my design rather in the center, because when you go around, I think sometimes you just lose your design a little bit. And now I decided also to go again into each petal to make very thin petals. And again, I'm just going opposite from each other. I hope you can see what I'm doing. At that point, I was still nervous about my glitter in the center. I had no idea what's gonna happen. But it's looking very interesting when you make these little petals, the small petals, or the narrow petals, better said. It's very beautiful. And there's, you know, where I got my resin trapped at the edge. Please try to avoid this because you may ruin your pattern and, well. So I'm giving it just a tiny swirl, but you won't see it really at the end. I just hoped that white is not blobbing into the center. That's why I did it. So anyway, you see how it's closed up, and I'm quite curious how my glitter mix is looking. But look at the Psycho Gold. It's so shiny. It's very beautiful. Love it. Nice effect at the back side and a little bit on the top side. This I can tell you already, but let's have a look. And look at the flower. I'm very happy about it. The petals are very delicate. And yeah, I actually like the center. It has something very sparkly, but not like a blob. Yeah, I guess that the resin ink shrinked also a little bit again and let the glitter pull back a little bit to the center again. But anyway, this is the final result. And I hope you liked my little adventure with this flower. I hope you liked the pour. And thanks for watching, guys. Take care and bye-bye.